This is so disgusting, you guys.
So I didn't plan on making today's video, but I had to come on here to tell you guys that I took down my Jaclyn Hill lipstick video this morning. I watched Raw Christy Beauty's video like 6 o'clock this morning, and I was so disturbed, you guys, like you have no idea. I was disgusted, disturbed, like grossed out at what she found in her lipsticks. When I applied my lipsticks, when I looked at them when I first got them, I didn't see anything. I didn't see any fur sticking out. I did not see any like holes. If I did, first of all, I would not put it on my lips, and secondly, I would definitely let you guys know I would not risk my health for Jaclyn Hill lipsticks, okay? When I started seeing all the claims, I was a little suspicious because Jaclyn Hill always has controversy with everything she launches. There's always a lot of drama. There's always a lot of controversy. So I was a little skeptical about the claims because I felt like my lipsticks were okay. So once I watched that video, I got so disgusted. I also saw Brianna Fox pulling out hair from her lipstick. Brianna Fox is someone that I actually know. I have interacted with her in person, and I felt like, oh my gosh, like this is real. Like this is actually real. So my camera just died, so I'm using my phone for this portion. So I decided that when I got home, I was going to look into my lipsticks to see if there was anything in there that I couldn't see from the surface. And let me tell you, I was disgusted. I was disturbed. I can't believe what I found in the lipsticks. Basically what everyone else was found in hair and like strange product, like strange like furry fuzzy things. And I don't understand how that could make its way into a lipstick. I'm so confused. So I decided to open up my lipsticks, crush them open, and show you guys what I found in there. Well, you're gonna find out with me. So
what's inside of it?
Nasty.
Of your lipstick?
Nasty stuff.
What happened?
Hair.
Ew.
Yeah, gross, right?
Why is there hair in it?
I don't know. So I'm gonna show you guys me looking through the lipsticks right now.
Hello.
This is Independent here.